Hello, how you doing? Beef stew on the go today. Bit of a classic kind of country vibe. Really takes a little time to cook because we want to get that meat really nice and tender, but it is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is 1 kg or 2.2 pound of a stewing beef. I've cut it fairly small. It's not massive bits in there. A little bit of fat in it, which is beautiful. We're going to get straight to the cooker. So we're going to need a fairly large pot, and in there I've got 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could change that obviously if you want. And we're going to take our beef and we're going to get that in, and on a medium heat we're going to go for around 7 to 8 minutes, not too high. Okay, next up we're going to add 2 cups of onion, a tablespoon of garlic. I've roughly chopped my one. 2 teaspoons of thyme, some salt, some black pepper. I like quite a lot of black pepper in my one. And we're going to continue for another 5 to 6 minutes. Fabulous. Next up we're going to drop in some butter, like a tablespoon or a little bit more maybe. Let that go for 2 minutes. Melt that down, then we can move on to the next step. I'm now going to add in 2 tablespoons of flour. This is a regular plain wheat flour. You could use something different if you want, maybe like cornstarch. 5 minutes stirring pretty much all of the time now. We really want to cook the flour out to get rid of its powdery taste. Excellent stuff. Tomato paste, 1 cup of. In that goes. 5 to 6 minutes, really want to cook the paste out, get it incorporated into the beef with the flour. Stir often. Really important not to skip this stage, okay? Really work it in nicely. Now I'm going to add 1 litre of stock. In that goes. You can use just water if you want. You might want to put a bit of wine in there if you fancied it. You can use vegetable stock, chicken stock or beef stock, it's up to you. I'm actually using chicken stock in this one, I like it. Right, lid on, simmer 40 minutes. And that is looking absolutely fabulous. Now we're going to pop in our veg. Today I'm just using carrots and potatoes. Now do not put your veg in unless you're confident your beef is cooked. Here we go. Carrots, nice and big like that. About 2 or 3 cups. Potatoes, even bigger. About the same. If you wanted, you could get some celery in here. If you were going to add celery, you'd have added that in with the onions. Other vegetables obviously work here. You can get some eggplants in here, mushrooms, up to you what you want to go with. Right, we're going to stay on this simmer. We're going to get the lid back on. We're going to go for about another 15 minutes. If it dries out at all, when you check it, you can pop some more liquid, water, wine or stock. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, let some steam out of there. And that's looking really fabulous, really, really good. So I said 15 minutes, but what you need to do is, depending on how big you've cut your potatoes and that, get your knife in there, check them out, all good. Check the seasoning, absolutely fine for me. Let's get that served up. Job done, there you have it, absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.